Wish 1075.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowd will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance, and I'll find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you, and 1,000 truths would be worth